Hello, dear viewers. Have you ever wondered who you really are? Not just a person with a name and age, but a spiritual being living in a world full of mysteries and possibilities. Imagine that deep within your soul lies a treasure trove of knowledge, power, and inspiration. This treasure is waiting for you to unlock it. Today, I will tell you how to get to know yourself spiritually, uncover your true nature, and find harmony. Stay with us, and you will learn how simple practices can change your life forever. In today's fast-paced world, where we constantly chase success and material wealth, we often forget the most important thing ourselves. We seek external validation and material gains, ignoring the inner world that patiently waits for us to turn our attention inward. Spiritual self-discovery is the path to understanding your true nature, finding the meaning of life, and achieving harmony. In this video, I will share with you how to take the first steps on this journey to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your mission. Let's start with a simple question. What does it mean to get to know yourself spiritually? It's more than just being aware of your desires and goals. Spiritual self-discovery is a process of deep exploration of your inner world, beliefs, values, and core aspirations. It's a journey to your inner self that reveals your true needs and helps you understand why you act the way you do. First, it's important to realize that spiritual self-discovery requires time and patience. It's not an instant process, but a profound, gradual journey into yourself. Imagine your inner world as an ocean. On the surface, the waves are your emotions, thoughts, fears, and desires. But the deeper you dive, the calmer and clearer the water becomes. It's there, in the depths, that you can find answers to the most important questions of your life. One of the first steps on the path to spiritual self-discovery is meditation. Meditation helps us calm the mind, focus on the present moment, and connect with our inner self. It gives us the opportunity to hear the quiet voice of intuition, which is often drowned out by the noise of everyday life. Start with a simple practice. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Let thoughts come and go without holding on to them. Over time, you will learn to control your mind and dive deeper into meditation. During meditation, try asking yourself questions, not simple questions about daily tasks, but deep, philosophical ones. Who am I? What is my purpose? What brings me true happiness? These questions will help you better understand yourself and your true aspirations. Don't seek answers immediately. Allow your inner voice to gradually reveal them to you. The next step on the path to spiritual self-discovery is studying your emotions and reactions. Emotions are a powerful tool that can show us what's happening inside. Pay attention to the emotions you experience in various situations. Why do you feel fear, anger, or joy? What triggers certain reactions in you? Understanding your emotions will help you better understand yourself and your nature. One way to work with emotions is by keeping a journal. Write about your emotions, thoughts, and experiences every day. This will help you track your feelings, analyze them, and find patterns. Over time, you'll be able to see what triggers certain emotions in you and how to influence them. An important part of spiritual self-discovery is working with beliefs and attitudes. Often, we don't realize that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. For example, if you believe you're not worthy of success, you'll subconsciously sabotage your own efforts. That's why it's important to examine your beliefs and replace negative attitudes with positive ones. One way to do this is through affirmations. Repeat to yourself daily that you deserve success, happiness, and love, and over time, you will start to believe it. Another important aspect of spiritual self-discovery is finding your calling. It's important to realize that each of us has a unique mission in this life. Find what inspires you, what brings you joy and fulfillment. It could be creativity, helping others, or learning something new. Your calling is what makes you truly happy and motivates you to move forward. Numerology can help you in finding your calling. Each person is born with a unique set of numbers that influence their life and destiny. By discovering your numerological code, you can better understand your strengths and purpose. For example, if your numerological code is associated with the number 7, it might mean that you are inclined towards deep self-analysis and spiritual searches. Studying numerology will help you better understand yourself and your goals. One of the ancient practices that aid in spiritual self-discovery is the study of symbols and signs that surround us in everyday life. For example, in Buddhism, the lotus holds special significance, symbolizing spiritual enlightenment. By paying attention to the symbols that appear in your life, you can receive important clues and guidance on your journey. Mindfulness practice is another key element of spiritual self-discovery. Mindfulness is the ability to be present in the moment without being distracted by thoughts of the past or future. It helps us better understand our feelings, thoughts, and reactions. Practice mindfulness in your daily life when you eat, walk, talk. Pay attention to every detail, to your sensations and thoughts. On the path of spiritual self-discovery, it's important to remember that this process is individual and unique for everyone. There is no one right way or universal formula. What works for one person may not be suitable for another. That's why it's important to trust your feelings, intuition, and follow your path without comparing yourself to others. It's also crucial to pay attention to your physical body. After all, our body is a temple for our soul. Engage in physical activities, eat healthily, and take care of your well-being. A healthy body contributes to harmony and balance in the soul. Remember that spiritual and physical health are closely interconnected. Your environment also plays a significant role in spiritual self-discovery. Create a space around you that fosters your spiritual growth. It could be a home altar, a cozy meditation spot, or simply a peaceful room where you can retreat and think. Surround yourself with things that inspire and energize you. Support and communication with like-minded people are another important element on the path to spiritual self-discovery. Find people who share your interests and aspirations. It could be a meditation group, a club for enthusiasts, or just friends with whom you can discuss your spiritual journey. Communicating with such people will help you better understand yourself and your path. It's important to remember that challenges may arise on the path to spiritual self-discovery. Sometimes it may feel like you're standing still or even moving backward. But don't give up. Every obstacle is a lesson that helps you grow and develop. Trust the process and keep moving forward, even if the path seems difficult. Ultimately, spiritual self-discovery is a lifelong process. It's a journey with no final destination, only endless discoveries of new facets of yourself and your soul. The more you get to know yourself, the closer you become to your true nature and harmony. Friends, spiritual self-discovery is a powerful tool that can change your life. Start your journey today, and you will see how your inner world changes, how you become more conscious, harmonious, and happy. Don't be afraid to look deep within yourself, because it is there, in your inner world, that the answers to all your questions lie. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below what inspired you, or what questions do you have. If we reach 5,000 likes, I will definitely make a video on how to calculate your financial code using numerology and become successful. See you soon.